How to get multi-snap option back on Snapchat. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your app store and make sure the application Snapchat is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, simply open the app. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. At the right hand side of the screen, you will get to see the plus icon. Click on it. Well, in here, tons of different features will be available to you. You will get to see the option where it says dual camera. Simply click on it. Well, the multi-camera will open. Well, with this camera, you will be able to capture both front and back camera view. All you want to do is set the view and then click on the snap. Well, the snap has been taken successfully. You will be able to send the snap to any of the person that you are connected on Snapchat, and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get multi-snap option back on Snapchat. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.